Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Alpha Investing Hub. Today, we are diving deep into Palisade Bio's share price. In this video, we'll conduct a comprehensive analysis, covering technical indicators, future targets, chart patterns, and the critical concept of setting a stop loss. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our financial insights. Let's get started. Before we get into the details, let's take a look at Palisade Bio's current performance. As of our latest data, the stock is trading at 76 cents. Keep in mind that stock prices can change rapidly. Now, let's explore the technical analysis using key indicators like the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD, and Relative Strength Index, RSI. By Sigma Investing Hub. The MACD suggests a potential bullish trend with a recent crossover, while the RSI indicates that Palisade Bio is currently in the overbought territory. This combination suggests strength but also the possibility of a pullback. Now, let's move on to chart patterns. Chart patterns can provide valuable insights into a stock's future direction. For Palisade Bio, we've identified a possible double bottom pattern. The double bottom is typically a bullish reversal pattern. If it plays out as expected, we could see a potential target price in the near future. However, remember that patterns are not guarantees and should be used alongside other analysis tools. Now, let's discuss potential future targets for Palisade Bio. Keep in mind that these are estimates based on current data and market trends. Our short-term target for Palisade Bio is $1.20, which we anticipate achieving within 2 months. For a longer-term perspective, our target price is $2.50, which could be attainable over 5 months. Please note that these targets are subject to market fluctuations and should be periodically reviewed. Risk management is paramount in investing. Setting a stop loss can help protect your investment in case the trade turns against you. For Palisade Bio, given its potential volatility, setting a stop loss at stop loss price might be a prudent strategy. This level is below key support and can serve as a safety net, limiting potential losses while allowing you to stay in the trade if it continues favorably. As we conclude our analysis of Palisade Bio's share price, remember that investing carries inherent risks, and it's essential to conduct thorough research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. The stock market is dynamic, and there are no guarantees in trading. We hope you found this video informative and insightful. If you